Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I edit my videos so I get ready for YouTube. It's very simple, follow along, let's go. Okay, so for all the videos I've been editing, I've used a program called Movavi. So if you just go over to Google, type in Movavi, I'll put a link underneath this video description. The next thing, once you've downloaded the program to your computer, this is the screen you're going to be shown. And the only thing you really need is the video editor and the screen recorder. So let's go. So I'm going to first load up the video editor. Okay, so once we have the video editor, I need to update this later, so I'll do that in a bit. And all you're going to do from here, you're going to add your files. So I've got another file ready with all the videos I recorded for a future video that I'm going to show you. So this is just a simple way how you can edit your video. So if you want to get into doing YouTube and stuff like that, this is what I do. Then all you need to do is add your files. So you click this button here. Come up with the file that you've already created, or you can find them within your documents wherever you've saved your files. So all I'm going to do is click on all of these and press the open button. And as you can see, these have all been numbered in order, so I know which ones I'm going to edit first. So if you click away from them all, then it deselects them, because otherwise if you drag one in, it drags them all in there. And if you want to edit a video, you want to wait till you add the other frames in first. So this is what I normally do. I put one video in there, edit that, I take out all the parts that I don't want to have, like where I'm sort of stuttering, or I'm going or I'm trying to think of things to say. You don't want to have any sort of flat spaces where nothing's happening. So I have my intro video here, so let's put that there. Yeah, so all I'm doing is I'm using this to zoom in and out. So that's all you need to do. Zoom in and out, you just press this button here, and all you're doing, you're just dragging your videos from this menu here, and then you just go through, make sure the sound levels are okay. So have a quick look. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I edit my videos so I get ready for YouTube. It's very simple. Follow along, let's go. So here, if I want to take a little cut from it, let's have a look. All I'm going to do is look for a gap within the audio. So when you see these little audio parts, you don't want to have too much space. So what I'm going to do is cut it here. I've already got the cutting tool open. Let's go to the next part. Let's cut that. Videos so I get ready for YouTube. It's very simple, follow along, let's go. Okay, so that edit was a little bit too quick, so you don't need to press back. You can just drag out of the clip and it'll go back to what you had before. So let me just rehearse that a bit again. Ready for YouTube. It's very simple, follow along, let's go. And obviously at the end of this clip here, I don't want that, so I'm going to cut this out. I'll click the pointer icon here, can't remember what it's called, and then I'll just edit that and delete it. So what I'll do is I'll go through all of my videos, and I'm sort of looking for flat spots. I'm just looking for bits where I might say I'm just like, you know, struggling to say the right words, and bit by bit you're stitching it all together, and then you can make a nice clean video, and then you can put it on YouTube and start running a channel a bit like myself. Another thing you want to do is, if you want to get people to subscribe to your channel, you're going to need sort of overlays and things like that. So I've built my own YouTube assets folder, and I'm going to show you exactly what I normally do with that. So I'll get a like, comment, subscribe little animation, and I'll add it to the file. So all I'm going to do is just drag it, put that in there. So you can add these overlays anywhere. So let's say if I'm going to put this here. Let's string that so I get everything together. So what I'm going to do is just shrink this down for the sake of the video, so it doesn't go too long. Okay, so once you have this, I'll show you what happens if you do nothing. So it's basically an overlay. So it's called a green screen, so you can edit the screen of it and you can take parts of it out. So I will show you. Videos, so I get ready for YouTube. That's what would happen. Follow along. Let's go. If you don't do this. So to get that green screen, all you're going to do is come up here. Let me have a look. Okay, I'm trying to think, where was it? Oh yeah, chroma key, that was it. Yeah, so once you're on this setting, all you need to do is just select this. And what the chroma key will do, it'll actually take the green screen away from the animation, and then all you need to do is adjust the positioning of the subscribe animation. So I'll show you. So all I'm going to do is click the position button, and then you can decide where you want that to be. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put it there. So I'll show you what happens. So before you saw the green screen. Now I'll show you it again. My videos, so I get ready for YouTube. It's very simple. Follow along. Let's go. And that's it. So if you want to add overlays, then you can add these to your videos. If I get, say, 100 likes and comments on this video, then I will give away my YouTube assets. But I'm only going to give those away if people help me out and they want to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm happy to help you guys out. Anyway, this is a quick way of how I edit my videos. All you need to do is just cut them at the right places, cut out all these sort of the words you don't want to have in there, and then bit by bit you'll piece them together. Another thing you can do is you could add text into your videos. So if I click the text button, you can just add anything like this. So for your intro of your video, basically click the design button, you just write whatever you want in it. So I'll just call this intro. You can sort of change the backgrounds and stuff like that. So you can change the colors as well. A whole load of things you can do to sort of edit your text. I click that there. So I click on this, I'm going to obviously need to change the positioning of it. So let me see if I can find that. Where's the positioning? Oh, okay. You drag it from the actual screen up there. So and then you can adjust the size of it. So you can properly edit to your heart's content. So let's see how that looks. I edit my videos so I get ready for YouTube. It's very simple. Follow along. Let's go. That's it. So you've also got some animation there with these. Guys, that's how I edit my videos. I keep it very simple. There's loads more effects and things you can use with Movavi, but if you guys just want to get up and start making videos, it's a very simple program to use. Highly recommend it. I'll put the link in the description. Like I said, if you want these assets that I've created myself, then comment below. And you know, if I get like 100 likes and comments, then I don't mind sharing that stuff with you guys. Anyway, take care. I'll see you soon.